Hey YouTube, I got something new. Well, I wouldn't say new. It's not this. That's my dad's. Trying to not show it to you just yet. But anyways, we got another vehicle. So don't send me any donations because I didn't buy that one truck from my neighbor that I was working for. That F-150. I didn't buy that. It was an 81. That truck was kind of a piece of junk, but it still did run and drive. But he wanted $150, well, 30 hours of work for $5 an hour, which ain't a whole lot. But I said, screw that. I'm done dealing with this person, because I offered him some money cash and whatever, some other stuff like me working for him, which is what I already did. Well, he wants $300 for it if I buy it in cash, which he won't even get that out of it for scrap. It doesn't weigh enough. But well, my dad went over to a guy's house about 2 miles away, and I'll try to not show you the little red thing down there. The little red Mazda truck. Little Mazda pickup. 4-wheel drive, runs good. Well, he also had another vehicle. My dad got that for $200. Well, I got mine for $250. A 1990 Ford F-150, I think. Yeah, it's an F-150, I believe. It's a 300 straight six. Best motor Ford ever built. Got good tires. It's got to be an F-150. This leaf springs is not enough to be an F-250. Yeah, you know, it's got rust. Quite a bit of it. Well, not that much. I've seen way worse. 4-wheel drive. Yeah, it's 4-wheel drive. It's, like I already said, 300 straight six. A little rust here and there. 2 gas tanks, but only the front one works. This here's kind of jacked up. Oh well, paint's not really that good. Forward power. But when I got it, it didn't run. Which I got it yesterday. It didn't run. Okay. He said sometimes it would start, sometimes it wouldn't. Like, okay, so sometimes it doesn't work. That's great. We pulled it home. I didn't start there. It's a manual. Really, really nice interior. I've got the panel there. It's sitting over there. Really nice interior. Not a wall. Yeah, there is one tear. There's a tear in the seat. The seam's coming apart, but it's really a nice interior. Windshield's only got one crack in it. I sprayed carb cleaner and poured some gas in the intake. It still won't start. I pulled out 4 out of 6 spark plugs, and oh my god, I'd never seen spark plugs that bad in my life. That's a 5-speed, by the way. I had never seen a spark plug so bad in my entire life. It looked like someone put a piece of dynamite in a tank of carbon, blew up the carbon all over a spark plug. Well, now, push the clutch. Yeah. She runs good. I'll take it for a little drive. My window's kind of jacked up. I have to help it when it gets to that point. And right there. Thank God it's not a little lower. Hey, that's not cool. It's chipped right there. Anyways, alright, let's do this. First gear. She runs on all 6 now. I burned off most of the carbon that was on the other 2 that I didn't clean. Here, you know what? I think we will just, what should I say about this a spike in my tire. I'll have to climb up the ditch a little bit. There we go. Ooh, my tires are a bit too wide, so they hit the truck a little bit when you turn all the way sharp. There we go. And we're only in two-wheel drive. The radio does work. Take it on 449, which is dirt road. Gear, doing about 50 and 1600 RPMs. The heat works, the air conditioning sort of works, you know, typical older truck. It's a 1990. I got the title right there. The brakes, they're just like the old F-150. Brake problem here a sec. Got a stop sign right here. Yes, I am licensed to drive a vehicle. Anyway, remember the F-150, how you had to push the pedal down pretty far to get the brakes to engage? You got to push them down to here, and they'll continue to go to there. It's because the fluid in the brake, what do you call that? The master cylinder. There's a popped brake line for the back, one of the back tires. The compression fitting on it, or I don't know if it's a compression fitting, it's where two lines were connected. It's rusted and it popped open the little fitting on there. But it's not going to run out of fluid because the front also has, they're separate. The front, well, for the fluid for the front and for the back, they're both separate. Actually, I want to try 4 low. Oh, what the hell. There we go. Low range. Start on second. Actually, I think we'll start on first. Put it back in regular. Ugh. Oh, what the crap. This ain't good. Oh, there we go. It's kind of funny how this works. There's 2-wheel drive. There's 4-wheel drive. Ugh. There's 4 low. Won't move. There we go. Now we're back in 2-wheel drive. I know how to synchronize the gears just right. Today's the first day I've had it going so far. Got it yesterday. That intersection's getting close. There we go. Power steering works good. I like how it's the, well, hold on.